there's an essential change that Revain desires to achieve. It is the world's most memorable impartial criticism stage. What separates itself from every other person in the crypto market is that it is the main stage in light of blockchain innovation, basically making it decentralized, empowering it to be fair on all fronts. We should take a gander at what Revain is and what it desires to achieve as far as Revain cost expectation for the impending years. Today, an organization's standing depends for the most part on client surveys, and this input helps other people pursue the ideal choices while managing any administration. Many organizations oversee other organizations' notoriety, and the people who oversee surveys for other organizations' administrations can change client audits or erase them. The Momentum research shows that between 20 to 60% of all web-based surveys are phony. One certain survey carries 4 new clients to a business, though one negative audit prevents 11 clients. This brings the issue of survey predisposition, where organizations overseeing surveys for different organizations might be compromised by removing attaches with them, basically bringing about a deficiency of income for organizations. Revain has fabricated a blockchain-based engineering where surveys can't be changed or erased. Clients are limited to 5 surveys each day. This guarantees that the chance of organizations attempting to modify their positive surveys or make negative audits for contenders doesn't occur, as it isn't powerful while managing mass enrollments of clients. This channels each phony survey, empowers organizations to get fair audits while maintaining their business, and recoveries them from overspending to make a positive brand picture utilizing showcasing strategies. Genuine purchasers who compose audits get benefits. Each survey on Revain goes through a 2-step confirmation process. One purpose is man-made consciousness, and different purpose is the manual technique. Negative audits can be available to debate, which is available to general society. The audits are hashed and put away in the blockchain, ensuring validness and congruity. Revain can be utilized in pretty much every business case, whether internet business, FMCG, booking, or gaming. Revain Basic Investigation. Revain Digital Money expects to arrange and compensate client input on items and administrations utilizing blockchain as its center innovation. The actual business holds a lot of potential. However, it is challenging to foresee the symbolic's future at the ongoing business sector costs of the FireUp token. Revain offers 2 local digital forms of money that are intended to inspire its clients to compose authentic input. The RVN is a dollar fixed stablecoin used to remunerate and punish purchasers and organizations in the survey cycle. The FireUp is a utility token utilized by organizations to support surveys and give a vehicle to clients to pull out RVN tokens to crypto trades. Given that before long, on the off chance that development is seen in the use of the Revain stage as a survey accounting for organizations and administrations, the probability of Revain as a business will be perfect. Yet, the equivalent can't be said for the FireUp token. There is substantially an excessive amount of that. It is as yet hard to foresee where the symbolic cost of Revain is going. It will be savvy to watch the digital currency market changes and conclude whether the FireUp symbolic will be great as an exchanging resource. Revain Specialized Examination. The ongoing business sector cap of FireUp is close $99,350,433 with a flowing stock of $85,061,485,690 FireUp. The market cap changes with the cost change. The ongoing cost of the FireUp tokens isn't simply great, with numerous investigators anticipating that the computerized coins are unacceptable for momentary hold. Most feeling pointers propose selling the FireUp coins at the ongoing cost. Yet, nobody can fault the experts for thinking, so it is a decent choice for brokers to take part in the ongoing economic situations. There isn't sufficient premium in the ongoing economic situation to legitimize taking a long position. Taking a gander at the moving typical combination dissimilarity and RSI all-time graph, Revain showed a monstrous flood in value last May, bringing about its unequaled high. This cost high was not kept up with, as it before long crashed. The cost again attempted to guarantee its past all-time high in the last September, however neglected to get through. In any case, a decent sign. Cost moved step by step upwards, areas of strength for with base cooperation flagging business sector support. The colossal spikes in the costs are not a decent sign of development, as this is profoundly unstable. In the event that a broker or financial backer enters the digital money market in such circumstances, they can either lose everything or make oodles of cash. However, in the beyond couple of days, a moderate cost recuperation has been seen alongside the greater part of the cryptographic forms of money. Merchants ought to investigate and research to find out about the crypto projections prior to going into the exchange. The ongoing cost is generally steady, and Bollinger Groups are crushing, and consequently, the unpredictability has now settled at the ongoing cost levels. The RSI is under the oversold zone, however it could recuperate soon. The Revain stage, albeit progressive, is still new, and the stage isn't as famous in the ongoing economic situation till it turns into a piece of large ventures. There isn't an adequate number of media inclusion to support its market presence. This is certainly not a decent sign. Be that as it may, in the event that this happens not long from now, it would be a fantastic marker for financial backers to go bullish on Revain USD cost. We foresee future qualities with specialized investigation for a wide choice of computerized coins like Revain, on the off chance that you are searching for virtual monetary standards with great returns. FireUp can be a terrible, high-risk one-year speculation choice. As per the Revain cost figure, the greatest worth of Revain cost is supposed to reach $0 the current year's over. In view of Revain cost forecasts, Revain cost will be valued at 2 cents toward the finish of 2022. The Revain cost today is $0, and as per the cost figures, the cost rise is supposed to be $0 the finish of 2022. Revain value forecast, 2022 to 2026. The FireUp cost estimate depends on authentic information joined with prescient information demonstrating calculations. Kindly note that this expectation ought to just be deciphered as an idea. It is difficult to impeccably foresee the costs of anything. However, here is our information. Additionally, these are simply Revain cost expectations and could change as per different elements. The cost of Revain FireUp arrived at a typical exchanging cost of 2 cents somewhat recently. The FireUp most extreme and least cost levels were 1 cent and 2 cents individually. Revain value forecast 2022. According to the Revain gauge and our own examination, the cost of Revain is anticipated to arrive at the very least value worth of $0. The Revain cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0, and the typical cost all through the year will be around $0. Revain value expectation 2023. The cost of Revain FireUp figures to arrive at the very least cost of $0, with a most extreme cost of $0 the year 2023. The typical exchanging cost all through the year is supposed to be close $0. Revain value forecast 2024. According to the information forecast models and specialized investigation, the base value level of Revain FireUp will be $0. The most extreme cost will be $0, with a typical exchanging cost of around $0 through 2024. Revain value expectation 2025. As per the specialized investigation and cost expectations for the year 2025, the base cost of Revain FireUp will be $0, and the most extreme value level will be $0. A typical cost will be $0 2025. Revain FireUp value forecast 2026. In view of the Revain figure and specialized examination, it is anticipated that the base cost of Revain is supposed to be $0, and the greatest cost will be $0, keeping up with the typical cost of $0 2026. Is FireUp coin a wise speculation? The ongoing circumstances don't give an obvious sign of that. The actual business has an extraordinary potential to be a productive speculation vehicle. However, measuring the eventual fate of the FireUp token is difficult. It is encouraged to the financial backers to keep refreshed with the improvements that are happening in the group. The circumstances could happen later on that have an impact on the manner in which it works and make it a